Good morning mga kasabwat! Now, we are going to set our table for our dinner for tonight, our Christmas Eve. Now, we have only 17 persons for tonight mga kasabwat. So, it's not too much work to do. So, let's begin! Now, we are going to use our American service, or kung tawagin nila ano to, yung placemat. Here mga kasabwat, we have to start now here. So always mga kasabwat, say to it that it will be the edging for the table mga kasabwat. So here you go. Pakilabas yung doon, Chris, sa mga nagtatapos ito, ha? Hindi, tapusin mo muna yan. Tapos dito ka maglabas sa mga para sa guest. Here mga kasabwat, we are using always this kind of cloth to put in over our underlining plate so that it won't move. Okay, over. We have to fold it. Para tayong gumawa ng saranggula mga kasabot. We're just doing a kite, like a kite now here. We have to put these two corner must meet together in the middle. Also the other one. It should meet together in the middle. And the other one. Okay. Now here. And then you have to do it again mga kasabot. Same way. The corner will meet in the middle. Here. And the corner. Okay. And the other corner. Okay na. And then you have to put it upside down like this. And then again, we have to meet the corner in the middle. All the corners in the middle. Okay, then you have to pull under the other corner like this. You have to pull it to make to form like a flower. Here. See mga kasabot? Now, this is a poinsettia mga kasabot. You see? Iikot ko siya, sandali. Okay. Here mga kasabwat, this is our table setting for tonight. Ready na tayo. Oops, parang hindi ata straight ito. Wait lang. I have to push it a bit. Okay. As you can see mga kasabwat, this is our seating for today. Yan. Itong Santa Claus at mga kasabwat, giveaways na nila yan. So, kung sino yung uupo dito, ito ay mapapunta sa kanila. Okay. You see mga kasabwat, we have different color of plate. It's a colorful because it's Christmas. See? It's nice mga kasabwat. Now, you didn't notice mga kasabwat, if our under plate is green, our water goblet is green, and the plate is red, and our glass wine is red also. See mga kasabot? Mamayang gabi mga kasabot, ipapatuloy pa natin ito kasi iilawan na natin siya lahat. Sentro ko muna yun doon. Kaya nga. Sentro lahat. Uy, kuhalat ah. Ayan na mga kasabot yung ating table setting for tonight for the Christmas Eve. Ready na tayo mga kasabot. So, pasadahan natin ang isa pa. Para makikita yung ating ginagawa. Yan. Ito yung ating table setting for today. Here. Mga kasabwat, welcome to our dinner for tonight. Kasama din namin kayo ngayon.
Naman na nag-jubay na trabaho.
Hindi, magsalita ka, Chris. Pwede naman na, pwede naman. O, ayan si Chris, mga kasabwat. Magi-greetings daw sa inyo, mga OFW. Sa lahat.
Mga kasabwat, OFW. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Oh, mayroon pa tayong mga kasabwat. After Christmas, mayroon pa tayong pa-dinner pa ulit.
Patuloy lang ang
This is our dining table for tonight, mga kasabwat. As you can see, it's very cozy and it's very elegant. This is our, you see, these are the giveaways. I'm telling you from the morning that the one who is going to sit here, they will have this Santa Claus with them. This is our Christmas dinner here. So nice, so elegant. Have Merry Christmas for everybody. That area there, this one I like most. Ang kalagay na sa ating buffet table. Okay, maya-maya konti mga kasabwat. Umpisa na silang kakain. Kakain natin Noche Buena for the Christmas Eve. Ano yung mga kasabwat? Turkey yan yung ano nila. Yung niluluto nila. Tapos may mga salad, mga sumas, salmon, maraming mga sabwat, hindi ko na maano yung pangalan niya kasi hindi naman